Can I tell you a secret? Every time I look at a blank page, I don't see paper. I see possibilities. Maybe you do too. The only difference is what we choose to imagine. So before you scroll away, give me just 1 minute. I'm not here to teach you how to paint. I am here to remind you what it feels like to imagine. Maybe you are here because you love art, or maybe you have always believed that art can say the things word never could. Either way, I am glad you found this place because this isn't about perfect paintings. It's about turning imagination into something you can actually feel. No rules, no single style, just imaginations. So, if that sounds like you, welcome to Rang Khwaab.